Hello everyone, I'm Angeli and this is Marina. Today we talk about our routines, past activities and future plans. I also go to university every morning. Last week we studied for our English exam. It was hard but we had fun. I like reading books and cooking at home. Last Sunday it made pasta for my family. They loved it. I am going to visit my grandparents in Lima. I will travel my bus. What about you? That sounds great. Thank you for listening.
Usually wake up at 6 a.m. every day. Then I have breakfast and go to university. Yes, we did a good job. On weekend, I often play football with my friends. I really enjoy it. What are your plans for next month? I am going to take a short vacation with my family. We will go to bed. Thank you. Bye.